So one of the common questions that I get right now is when is the best time to sell my home? And within that, I get asked, when is the best time to sell my home? And I have at least 20% equity. I have good credit. I have financial backing. And so in this situation, I'm typically recommending to clients that they talk to their lender about a bridge loan. So a bridge loan is a short-term loan. It's used to bridge that time between when you're selling your home, when you're buying your next one. It's usually a short-term fix, so a lot of people would use this for 6 to 12 months at the most. And during this time, you're going to have higher payments. Your payments are going to be, based on that amount of 2 mortgages instead of just the one. And typically, bridge loans have a higher interest rate, but the benefit of that bridge loan is it gives you that money during that transition time, and so you can technically own the 2 homes during the process, which allows you to sell and then go ahead and buy and then move. So in this situation, from a process standpoint, most of the time I want to find your next home. I want to get an offer accepted on the home you're going to live and move into, and then as soon as we have that transaction locked in, we're going to put your house on the market. So that might even be the next day, right? Whatever you need. And this allows as little downtime as possible for you. We can coordinate closings. So some people like their closing scheduled, within a couple weeks afterwards, so they have time to move, and others like it scheduled that next day because they don't want to pay any extra money, having that dual mortgage during that time. But we work with you directly. And then the other thing to keep in consideration is this recommendation is definitely based on current market conditions. So if inventory shifts and all of a sudden there would be a lot of inventory, our strategy would probably change. So my job is to sit with you to consider your personal situation, talk through what's going to be best for you in the home selling and buying process. And that's one of the benefits of working with us, is that we are going to support you in your unique situation and help you know when to buy and sell at the right time.